Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to reset your ChatGPT password, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, go ahead, launch your ChatGPT application, or you can also open your browser. In my case, I'm using my app here. Now let's go ahead, select login. Once it is so under email address, type in the email address that is associated with your ChatGPT account. Or in case you don't remember your email address, you can also continue with Google. But in my case, I do remember my email address, so I'm going to type it here and then tap continue. And once you have done that, it will ask you to enter the password. Here exactly you have to tap on forgot password and select continue. Now, if this email address exists with the ChatGPT account that you are trying to access, you will receive an code from your email. Go ahead, paste the code here, select continue, and at the next page, you will be prompted to simply create yourself a new password. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.